10K squad. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz. Oh, my goodness, sorry. Sun-kissed queen, and I'm back with another bitty titty. Oh, so today's video is going to be a stitch type of inspired look, not Lilo and Stitch, more like sewing type of shit going on. So we gonna get straight into this bitty titty. Yo. So now I am all done with my eyes. I fucking love them. They're so fucking cute because I never do fucking pink, and bitch, I'ma be doing it, period. Anywho, we are now gonna get into the stitch look. So basically I'm gonna be doing the shadowing of what I want, then I'm gonna be drawing the stitches or the threading or whatever the case is. So let's get into that. And there you guys have it, my finished stitched threaded type look. You guys already know the drill. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys did not check out my other makeup tutorials or my other Halloween looks, they will be down below as well as somewhere up here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button, type in that comment, and hit that subscribe button with the bell to know when I post. It is your girl Kate and a motherfucking Benz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And yes, I'm wearing a shirt.